Find or read reviews that people are talking about STEINBRÜCKE Grease Gun. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. With outstanding quality battery. Equipped with a high-quality lithium rechargeable battery, 4000 mAh, the 40-inch long flex hose operates at a maximum of 12,000 psi, allowing for 5 to 6 cartridges, 14 ounces, per charge. Battery pack is compatible with lithium cordless tools. Charging adapter is included. Dual modes operation. Continuous pumping mode, hold the trigger down to pump, or quantitative automatic pumping, set the pumping volume. Press down the trigger to start and it will stop after pump the set volume automatically. There are 3-way grease loading. Standard 14 ounces cartridge, bulk suction filler/dispenser pump. Anti-aging fluorescent rubber O-ring and plunger, will not lost softness for sealing after long time storage. Battery grease gun. Pumping speed up to 5.0 ounce/minute for high flow applications. Package, 40-inch heavy-duty reinforced flex hose with spring guard and coupler, and a 5-1/2 hard metal extension tube with sharp nozzle. Grease gun battery powered. Locate hard-to-see grease fittings in dark work areas with the bright LED. Integrated foot design allows operators to rest the tool on flat surface. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.